Good morning, everyone. Let's start today by singing our greeting song. Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. We'll play and we'll sing and we'll have fun too. This time, let's sing the song and keep the beat on our knees. Ready? Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. We'll play and we'll sing and we'll have fun too. Today we'll be singing songs about BB. We will sing a song about ponies. And we'll sing about a song about 5 little ducks that went out to one day. First up today, we're going to sing with BB. Remember, when we sing BB, we sing the song together and then we sing our own name. Let's see how you go today. BB, bumblebee, can you sing your name to me? And we all sing, my name is... Were you listening carefully, BB? Yes? Do you want to hear it again? You want to hear your song again? BB, bumblebee, can you sing your name to me? My name is... Oh, could you hear all the children? That's lovely. Well done. For our next song about ponies, you're going to need some wooden spoons. Press pause on your computer or iPad. Go and get some wooden spoons and come back. Or just 2 things that you can clap together. Doesn't have to be. This is a song about ponies. And it's a folk song about ponies galloping. Listen first time through and then sing along with me. See the ponies galloping, galloping down the country lane. See the ponies galloping, galloping down the country lane. See the ponies galloping, galloping down the country lane. See the ponies coming home, all tired out, all tired out. Well done. Listen, see if you can sing it with me this time. And this time we're going to keep the beat on our knees. Ready? And see the ponies galloping, galloping down the country lane. See the ponies galloping, galloping down the country lane. See the ponies galloping, galloping down the country lane. See the ponies coming home, all tired out, all tired out. That was really good. Did you notice something as we were going through that song? Did it stay the same beat all the way through? That's right, it got faster, then it got slower when we said the ponies were all tired out. So it starts off at a moderate pace, and it got a little bit faster in the second verse, a little bit faster in the third time, and then when they were coming home it slowed right down. See if you can do that with me one more time and get faster as we go through and then slow down at the end. Ready? And see the ponies galloping, galloping down the country lane. See the ponies galloping, galloping down the country lane. See the ponies galloping, galloping down the country lane. See the ponies coming home, all tired out, all tired out. That was really good. What you can do with this is if you have a hobby horse at home or a pool noodle or a little piece of stick even, you can use it as a hobby horse. I have Macca here he of course is my, well, really he is an alpaca, but I've called him a llama. That is just what it is. Let's see if he can do the riding like a pony. Are you ready, Macca? No? Are you ready, Macca? Yes. Are you teasing me? Yes. Okay. Here we go. See the ponies galloping, galloping down the country lane. See the ponies galloping, galloping down the country lane. See the ponies galloping, galloping down the country lane. See the ponies coming home, all tired out, all tired out. Well done, Macca. That was excellent. When you finished today's lesson, you could go out and find something that you could gallop around the room with or out in the yard. Now, using your wooden spoons, we're going to keep the beat of the ponies galloping. Are you ready? Remember, we get a little bit faster with our beat, not too fast, it's just a little bit. So make sure you keep it even and getting faster in your tempo as we go through the song, and then slow right down at the end. Are you ready? Just keep in time with me. See the ponies galloping, galloping down the country lane. See the ponies galloping, galloping down the country lane. See the ponies galloping, galloping down the country lane. See the ponies coming home, all tired out, all tired out. Well done. You can turn that back again and try it again if you like. Our last song today is Five Little Ducks, and we need to use some actions for this one. So we've got 5 little ducks. Are you ready? 5 little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 4 little ducks came back. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little ducks went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 3 little ducks came back. Ooh. 1, 2, 3. 3 little ducks went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 2 little ducks came back. 1, 2. 2 little ducks went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 1 little duck came back. 1. 1 little duck went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but none of her little ducks came back. Mother duck went out one day, over the hill and far away. Then she said quack, 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 and all of her 5 little ducks came back. Well done. Prep, I hope you have a wonderful week this week. We'll see you next time. Bye.